welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for all things garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today we are exploring an eco-friendly twist on traditional landscaping with our showcase of 14 creative ideas, replacing stones with plastic bottles for new model of Gabion wall, garden fencing. You will discover how upcycled plastic bottles can transform ordinary wire cages into stunning, sustainable garden boundaries. If you love innovative DIY projects, please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing ideas. This design arranges colored plastic bottles in a sweeping gradient wave inside the Gabion mesh. By selecting specific bottle hues, you can create a vibrant pattern that catches the sunlight beautifully. It offers a playful yet highly structural boundary that redefines standard backyard fencing. It is an affordable way to add a splash of artistic color to your outdoor space. Using only transparent plastic bottles gives the Gabion wall a light, airy, and modern appearance. The clear plastic mimics the look of expensive glass blocks at a fraction of the cost. When the sun shines through, it casts beautiful, soft shadows across your garden pathways. This approach perfectly complements a minimalist home exterior with its clean lines. This concept utilizes brown and green plastic bottles to create a natural, earthy mosaic pattern. The colors blend seamlessly into lush garden foliage while maintaining a structured modern look. It mimics the traditional tones of river rocks while utilizing lightweight, upcycled materials. Visitors will admire how well this fence integrates with the surrounding trees and shrubs. Arranging the bottles in tight geometric spirals inside the Gabion cages adds an intricate artistic flair to your fence. Each wire section features a unique swirling pattern made from meticulously placed bottle bottoms. This technique turns a simple boundary wall into a captivating outdoor art gallery. It is a fantastic conversation starter for guests arriving at your front door. Threading waterproof LED strip lights through the plastic bottle-filled Gabions creates a magical nighttime feature. The translucent bottles diffuse the light, emitting a soft, enchanting glow across your yard. This setup enhances both home security and evening ambiance for backyard gatherings. It completely transforms your home's curb appeal once the sun goes down. Leaving deliberate gaps among the plastic bottles allows you to insert small pocket planters directly into the Gabion wall. Succulents and cascading vines can grow out of these pockets, creating a living green fence. The plastic bottles provide excellent drainage and structural support for the soil pockets. This concept merges rigid modern architecture with lush, thriving plant life. Alternating between sections of dark green and bright blue bottles creates a bold checkerboard aesthetic. This high-contrast look provides a stark, modern focal point for contemporary properties. The wire Gabion cages keep the plastic containers neatly aligned in crisp, clean squares. It proves that eco-friendly recycling can look incredibly chic and organized. Painting the plastic bottles with a matte black finish before placing them in the gabions yields an ultra-modern, industrial look. The dark, textured surface contrasts sharply with metallic wire grids for a premium aesthetic. This style provides an elegant backdrop that makes your colorful garden flowers pop. It is a sophisticated way to hide the fact that you are using recycled materials. Filling the plastic bottles with colored sand or soil adds weight and structural stability to the fence. The very layers of colored sand inside the transparent bottles create a stunning desert shirt appearance. This method ensures your eco-fence remains sturdy against strong winds while looking incredibly artistic. It brings a unique, layered geological aesthetic to your front yard. Sorting your upcycled plastic bottles by size and color allows you to build striking vertical stripes within the Gabion structure. This vertical alignment draws the eye upward, making compact garden spaces feel larger and loftier. The clean lines complement the architectural angles of modern residential designs perfectly. It is an easy yet effective way to achieve a professional designer look on a budget. Facing all the colorful bottle caps outward creates an intricate, highly detailed pixel art mosaic on your fence. You can map out specific logos, floral patterns, or abstract designs using the small circular caps. This turning of waste into art highlights the ultimate potential of creative upcycling. It transforms a basic boundary wall into a brilliant neighborhood masterpiece. Positioning the plastic bottles at precise diagonal angles creates a trendy chevron pattern inside the wire framework. This dynamic movement breaks the monotony of traditional horizontal fencing. The intersecting lines catch light and shadow in a way that shifts throughout the day. It offers a playful, energetic vibe that instantly boosts your property's curb appeal. Utilizing various shades of blue and translucent bottles evokes a refreshing coastal, ocean breeze atmosphere. The color palette transitions smoothly from deep navy at the bottom to clear sky blue at the top. This gradient brings a calming, serene aesthetic to your outdoor living spaces. It is perfect for matching poolside decors or breezy seaside garden themes. Combining layers of traditional stones with layers of colorful plastic bottles offers a striking textual contrast. This mixed media approach balances the heavy, rugged nature of rock with the light, vibrant qualities of upcycled plastic. It creates an unforgettable architectural statement that celebrates both natural elements and modern sustainability efforts. If you enjoyed these inspiring designs, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more creative garden projects.